off. Give that a couple minutes, let it soak through. Make it a heck of a lot easier for us to get in there. Perfect. So we're going to go ahead and send these guys out to get refurbished. So what we're going to do here is remove this one, because the whole purpose of this is to recycle what we got, and this isn't bad. We can straighten this out and we'll get it polished up and all done up real nice with coatings. Come on. Didn't think they had to be that long, but okay. And the spindle. We'll leave him down here. Come on. See if we can help it just a little bit. Make this easier. It's good still. I mean, I'm gonna go very far down. live with that. Perfect spindle removal. Go. One guy down. Perfect. Oh man, this thing broke off. One removed. Now we gotta send these guys to get cleaned out. I'm gonna take care of these little spherical ones. Take these guys off right now. This little tricky little bastard. Sometimes you need a third hand. Run out easy, buddy. There we go. Go. One of my favorite tools here, man. Worth every penny. buddy. On film, the big side of it is away from where the tie rod is going to be. So when we press them in, of course, this big ring, you can tell, the bigger side, is usually going to be away from where the tie rod is coming. Let's get that other one off. Now we can get them cleaned. Junk. There's that other one. Let's get this one out. Voila. Perfect. We're gonna have to clean this to the bottom up pretty good. It's got little nicks here. No big deal. And, I'm gonna replace these guys in here and the seals. Kind of fogged up. That's not too bad. See, just a little straining here and there. I just had a good grip on it and I don't know how I did it. Yeah. I mean, it doesn't have to be really perfect, but still got a bit of a bend right here. Pretty strict to me. So we'll go ahead and clean these up. Cool. Hey, this is Saul from mcscgreenwheels here in Chicago. Basically what you guys just saw right now, we took apart the axles, the spindle housings. We removed the spindles, we got the bearings out because we're going to go ahead and clean up all those spindle housings. We're going to get new tie rods for that and for the IRS suspension that we're going to install on our 1993 Ford Fox Body Notch. It's the GRUNT, as we call it. The other thing that you guys are going to go ahead and witness, we're going to go ahead and remove everything off the rear end IRS suspension. So that's the IRS housing along with the upper and lower control arms. We're gonna go ahead and remove all the bushings. We got those all coming in new, and the whole basic build of this is to refurbish all this. We're not trying to go super new. I know that the paint job's taking a bit, But be patient. The rest is all kind of like from the junkyards and whatnot. We're going to refurbish all of it. As far as bushings, we're not replacing anything with new stuff. So keep an eye out. Thank you for subscribing. Everyone on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. Thanks a lot, guys.